Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to track your sleeping in Google Fit. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Fit application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application, guys, you're going to go ahead and log into your account, where after logging in, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Google Fit. So as you can see, currently we are in the home page, as you can see at the bottom of the page, and here we can see all the sections that we can access, just such as home. Here we have our journal section, we have our browse section, here is our profile section where we can go ahead and enter our info and manage our profile. Now guys, let's say that we want to track sleeping in Google Fit. The first thing we have to do is go ahead and have a watch or something else that is going to go ahead and be connected to your Google Fit and be able to track sleeping with it, because your phone cannot track sleep. But guys, if you want to track sleep using only on your phone, then here is what you do. Go ahead guys, to the browse section right here at the bottom of the page, which is the third section, and in the browse section go ahead and click on the sleep section. Click on sleep guys, and in sleep we can go ahead and see how to manage our sleeps. As you can see here, you can go ahead and see your data, and at the top of the page you have the plus sign where you can go ahead and add a new sleep. So guys, go ahead and click the plus sign. And after clicking the plus sign guys, here you can go ahead and select when you went to bed and when you woke up if you want to track it. Let's click on save. And after saving it guys, it will appear right here how much you have slept. And in the upper right corner, if you click on the three dots, it will open up this section where you can go ahead and see your connected apps. So you have many applications that you can use for tracking your sleep. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.